Okay, so first we will look at the external features of the sheep's brain. First we can look at um, so this would be the frontal lobe, move into the parietal, occipital, and the temporal lobe. Here we have the cerebellum. Yeah, the cerebellum and the brainstem underneath. Looking underneath the brain, you can see kind of all the blood vessels running through it. Here we have our longitudinal fissure, and kind of coming across, you can see the central sulcus. Observe the duramater. And then we can take a look at the inferior aspect of the sheep's brain. The olfactory bulbs right under here. It smells terrible. The optic nerves would the optic nerves would actually be out here, and the olfactory would be along the inside here. Find the pituitary gland. The pituitary gland would be sorry, I got all my stuff mixed up. I got sheep juice on everything. Okay, so the pituitary gland would be right in here. So next we're going to locate the midbrain, the pons, and the medulla oblongata. So the midbrain on this would be the midbrain would be along the sides. Oh, sorry, here. The pons would be the bridge, or what's connecting the cerebellum to the brainstem. And then the medulla oblongata would be here. So now we're going to make a mid-sagittal cut along the longitudinal fissure and the midline of the cerebellum to create left and right halves. Okay, so we've noticed, or with the cerebellum, the leaf-like structure here in the inside, so that's pretty similar to a human's brain. The corpus callosum, right along here. The lateral second, third, fourth ventricle. So the third ventricle would be in here. The fourth ventricle would be down here by the cerebellum. The lateral ventricles would be up here. And then the pineal gland would be right here. The thalamus and the hypothalamus. Slice a small cross-section of the spinal cord. Note the classic butterfly-shaped section of the gray matter on the dorsal and ventral roots on the outside of the spinal cord. So I'm going to detach the cerebellum, so I can just take a piece of the spinal cord. Dispose of the brain specimen appropriately and disinfect your work area. All right.